the lawns. Is it okay to bring in a helicopter? That's the discussion of the day. By putting in stakes to hold it down. I might be doing that. I mentioned on my live stream but couldn't show you because of the angle, but there, Avenger anti-aircraft missile batteries on top of the new executive office building, guarding the White House from air attack. So guys, it is late for me. Normally I'm on my way back to the country by now. Today got stuck in the city a little bit. And sadly we're stuck on a big ugly red bike, which are never any fun because they don't have batteries. So, hey, we got a protest out here. I don't know what they're protesting, but we're here at the White House. Let's check it out. What are these people protesting? Blasting Democrats. Oh, public health emergency. Hey man, how's it going? This sort of popped up, or was this on the schedule? Well, that's the abortion rights group that's pretty active. They're blasting the Democrats actually for not declaring a public health emergency. Not much else going on here at the White House. Generally a pretty quiet day. One of those activists is the one who was trolling the 1776ers a couple times. Roadrunner's still here. We will have a motorcade in the next day or two. Helicopter tomorrow. Let's go down to the Lincoln Memorial or something. It's usually pretty at the sunset. And we made it safely. As long as we don't kill any tourists. We're actually kind of on the prowl for an electric bike, but as it's the end of the workday, all the electrics have spun up out of town, out of the central business district where I am now. So I'm kind of stuck with these manual evil bikes. We got like 2 seconds left. 2, 1. 0, yellow light. And we made it. So here's Washington's real pastime, softball games. Congressional staff teams versus lobbyists versus law firms versus political action committees. Everybody has a softball team. Some leagues you actually get extra credit if your congressman shows up and plays. You get like a 10-run bonus.
Appreciate it.
Oh, good catch. Good catch. Sort of tapped it off the outside of his glove. This is the Washington Monument. Told you it looks pretty at the sunset. Let's get around these tourists. It looks like they're playing kickball. She's out.
I don't remember.
Yeah, we got another kickball game going on here. Oh, he dropped it. And they scored a run. It's quite temperate right now. I doubt it's 80 degrees right now. It's probably in the mid-70s. The sun sets on the World War II memorial. Shadows grow long. We got volleyball over here. Oops. And over here it looks like there's a 7-a-side soccer game. Let's head up there, guys. It's a nice night. Wander up into the cold marble of the Lincoln Memorial. Should be even cooler than it is out here. Sun is over there, setting. Ow, it's bright. Skateboarder dudes are out here. Just sitting out of the steps, watching the sunset. It's kind of a popular thing to do. Lincoln's Memorial, his second, the Gettysburg Address. That's the second inaugural address. This is the Gettysburg Address over here.
That's why I thought of it. I guess they
407 years ago. We don't use the word score enough. So far from favor. I think that's what makes it so memorable. Nobody even knows what a score is anymore. Back here on this side, you get all the sunlight. So there is the view of the monument, interrupted by a tourist. Now, something I haven't pointed out in a while is that the Lincoln Memorial is the only monument that was damaged in World War II under fire. Yeah, it was a friendly fire from an anti-aircraft gun that misfired right under the Maryland logo, and there's a little mark right there. Yeah, guys, you see that little mark in the stone? That's where an anti-aircraft round hit the Lincoln Memorial. Zoom in a bit. So right there under the Maryland logo, that little divot out of the side of the memorial, anti-aircraft shell. We've got a VH-3 coming out of the White House. Must have just brought some aides back, or the First Lady or something. Or just practicing. That's possible. You know what? Where's he going? Marine's doing practice flights. There he is. We can get down there and catch some practice flights, yeah? That would be cool. So I'm not sure how many landings we might get. Normally when they practice, they do 6 or 8 landings. But if this is just a grass check, and we might just get 1 or 2. But hey, let's go down and see what we can. These helicopters are cool. let's see if we can get closer. I mean, it's probably the sod, but they're also probably getting their qualifications in, you know?
I was gonna ask, do you think this is related to the sod? Like, they have to test it out before tomorrow is...
I think that would actually make sense.
Because they've been doing this for, what, it's like their 15th time in or so.
Yeah. I mean, it also, while you're here, you know, get 8 landings in or whatever it is.
Can you tell if they have the, like the controller booth just to the left of the different doors?
Yeah, once it takes off. That should be set up.
I guess minus the press core, it's probably a pretty normal setup.
There's no fire truck.
That's a good point, yeah. close inside of town, so
Yeah.
I'm using the free space.
First time they came back, we thought he'd forgotten Jill or something.
Yeah.
But when they came back the second time, I said, no, they wouldn't let him forget too.
Twice, yeah. It's like our 15th time coming around.
Yeah, I've been watching that.
A little time, but they're on the lawn with like 6 days or something. When they pilot.
Those dudes are still there.
Maybe rotating out pilots or something. Back to J-Bab and
Yeah, that was kind of cool. Always love helicopters. I think that was just practice, either for practice for the Marines or to check the sod. You know, we saw earlier today they were putting spikes in the sod, and they probably just wanted to make sure it wasn't going to blow up and hit the helicopter. Anyway, they're done now. Let's just head back and dump this bike. I thought they haven't opened the park, which is a sign maybe there's more to come, but it hasn't come yet, so. And that's that, guys. So, hey, I'm stuck in the city tonight. I'm not going to make it out to the country. C'est la vie. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching it. Joe Biden gets back tomorrow about noon. I will not be covering it. I'm going to be in Baltimore tomorrow, which probably means pit beef barbecue sandwich. Yeah, that's high on my agenda for my little short trip to Baltimore, just doing some kid stuff. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.